G20 summit in New Delhi, India. This year's summit is particularly special because it is held under the theme of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, or One Earth, One Family. Good morning, G20 members. I'm the Prime Minister of India, myself Narendra Modi. We are assembled here in New Delhi. It is our capital city. And today's the main theme of Indian presidency, G20's presidency, is that Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, which translates to one earth, one family, one future. Let me talk about the India. India means the biggest history in the world, and there are several achievements. India is a major emerging market, and it is growing rapidly. And there is also a yoga. It is an ancient Indian practice that became very popular, and now yoga helps to promote the every Indian culture and values. There are many achievements to the India, and recently we have gotten a successful space program, that is our Chandrayaan 3. And the worldwide there is a biggest military force in India only. So my dear ladies and gentlemen, please cooperate with us and help in all the fields. I would like to invite Argentinian President Mr. Alberto Fernandez.
Members, I wish you very good day. I am President of American continent. Our currency is Argentina peso. Argentina is a major economic power in the South America. It was the second largest economy in the region and is a member of the G20. Today, Argentina is inequality. It is in 2023, it is estimated that 36% of the and the people live below the poverty line and corruption. Argentina is facing deforestation, pollution, and climatic change. So please cooperate with us and help in all the fields with the plastic pollution. Thank you all.
Member, I am the Prime Minister of Australia and Anthony Albanese. My capital is Canberra. We are Southeast Pacific Ocean. The culture of Australia is primarily a Western culture. Primarily a Western culture originally derived from Britain. We are facing problems of climate change, overpopulation, inequality between poor and rich. Please cooperate with us and help in all the fields. Thank you.
I would like to invite President Luis Inacio Lula da Silva.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Dear G20 members, I am President of Brazil. Myself, Luis Inacio Lula da Silva. Our country, Brazil is major supplier of foods and minerals to world. Brazil is major military power in South America. Brazil is major player in global economy. We are facing so many problems of Brazil: inequality, poor and rich peoples, climate change, political economy, high crime rate. Our country needs to address these problems to achieve social development. Please cooperate with us and help in all the fields. Thank you.
Everybody, dear G20 members, I am the Prime Minister of Canada. Our capital is Ottawa. Our currency is Canadian dollar. Canada is in North America. It is important country for trading and transporting. It is also a member of G7. Canada is a beautiful country. It is home to the Great Lakes and the Arctic tundra. Canada is a popular tourist destination, attracting millions of visitors of each year. Canada is a strong supporter of peacekeeping missions. Please give importance of adopting a healthy lifestyle and adopting sustainable food systems. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, who gave me this opportunity. Good morning to everyone. Welcome to the meeting. Dear G20 members, I am the President of China, Xi Jinping. My capital is Beijing. We are in East Asia. Our currency is Chinese yuan. We take it to honor our tradition. We infuse to Confucianism. The Great Wall of China is one of the famous landmarks in the world. It is 21,000 kilometers. The Terracotta Army is an underground army of life-size sculptures. Kung Fu is a Chinese martial art. It is a partner for all the world. There are many different types of tea in China. We are facing the problems of overpollution, inequality between poor and rich, crime, human rights abuses, intellectual property, gender inequality, and COVID-19. Please cooperate the border country like India and other countries with us and help in all the fields. Please protect the forest for better world. Thank you.
Good morning to ladies and gentlemen. Dear G20 members, I am the Chancellor of Olaf Schools. My capital is Berlin. We are in Europe. The official currency of Germany is the euro. Germany is known for its long and rich history, politics and art. But it is also a country with strong economy and vibrant democracy. Germany is committed to addressing its problems,
And it's a pleasure to meet you all. Dear G20 members, I am the President of France. Myself, Emmanuel Macron. My capital is Paris. We are in Europe. France is an important country in the world. It has a strong military that is involved in NATO also. But we have some problems. Our people are facing inequality, unemployment, climate change. These are not problems which are facing most important problems in our country. To addressing these problems, please cooperate with us. And all the best for a bright future. Thank you so much.
dear G20 members, I am the President of Indonesia, Joko Widodo. And my capital is Jakarta. We are considering
overseas sector, natural disasters, tsunamis and tufans. Despite these challenges, Japan is a resilient country with a rich history and culture. Japan is committed to addressing its problems and it is confident that it can overcome them.
The country's capital and one of North America's most important political, cultural, educational and financial capitals. The Mexican peso is the country's official currency. Mexico is located in the south. Culture, the official language is Spanish. The economy of Mexico is land borders with 14 countries. Russia is a major world power country with a significant military and nuclear arsenal. It is also a member of United Nations, the G20, and Shanghai
Most
Corporation.
of the Arabian Peninsula. Like our currency is Riyal. The official language of Saudi Arabia is Arabic. We are facing challenges of
South Korea is a developed country and which have a standard living and its economy is 10th largest in the world by nominal GDP and 4th largest in Asia.
Dear G20 members, I am Recep Tayyip Erdogan. Our capital is Ankara, but the largest city is Istanbul. Our currency is Turkish lira. Turkey is a country located in the Middle East Europe. Turkey is a bridge between Europe and Asia. The official language is Turkish. We are facing the problems of economic crisis, political instability. Turkey is facing the Kurdish insurgency in its southeastern region. Turkey is hosting over 3.5 million refugees. Turkey is vulnerable to the effects of climate change. Despite these challenges, our country needs to these problems to grow economic and social development. Please cooperate with and I'll help with all the fields. Thank you.
Welcome to the G20's meeting. Dear G20's member, I am Rishi Sunak, the Prime Minister of the United Kingdom. The official language of the United Kingdom is the English. The currency of the United Kingdom is the pound sterling. United Kingdom is a European country located on the northwestern coast of continental Europe. The capital of the United Kingdom is London.
On G20, welcome to everyone. I am Joseph R. Biden, the President of United States of America. The capital is Washington, D.C. and the most populous city is New York City. The official language is English. Our currency is dollar. If you are looking for a country with a high standard of living and a strong enough economy and many more opportunities, then the United States is a good fit for you. However, if you concerned with low cost of living and healthcare or gun violences, then they consider other countries. Take a good decision and implement them positively. We will meet again Brazil in 2024. Thank you.
Union is a political and economic union of 27 member states that are located primarily in Europe. The European Union was founded in 1993 by Maastricht Treaty, which aimed to promote peace, democracy, and prosperity in Europe. The European Union has a single market which allows the free movement of goods, services, capital, and people within the Union. The Union also the common currency, the euro, which is used by 19 member states. Here are some of benefits of being a member of the European Union. The free movement of goods, services, capital, and people. Single currency, the euro. Common policies on agriculture. Environmental, competition, etc. Common foreign and security policy. Access to the single market. Increased political influence. Please cooperate with us. Help in the all fields. Thank you.
Countries. Good day. Dear G20 members, I am Pranit Kumar Jignal, the Prime Minister of Maharashtra. I might mention our experience and our dealing with poverty and inequality, our commitment to sustainable development. I would also emphasize our willingness to work with other countries. We are committed to working with the G20. Working together can make the world better.
G20 members, dear G20 members, I am Mark Rutte, the Prime Minister of Netherlands. I would also take the opportunity to highlight some of the specific areas where I believe my country can contribute to the G20 agenda. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to all the leaders and delegates who have participated in the G20 Summit 2023. We are grateful for your time and commitment to addressing the challenges facing our world. We believe that the G20 can play a critical role in building a more sustainable and equitable future for all. Thank you all once again. We will meet in the next in Brazil in 2024.